Some package just got here. I had to buy a new knob for my Akai Fire. Damn dog then ate it. So I went to npcstuff.com, which it's a fucking hassle finding these knobs. It's the exact knob, but god damn, it's like the only company that sold this motherfucker. Like, damn, I couldn't find a used one or nothing. Like, then I got gypped by another company or whatever. They say they didn't gyp me, but they had glow in the dark knobs though, which was dope. So anyway, check out NPC stuff. They legit. A little high though. This shit was $14. Whatever though.